Peace and Black Power, family. It's the Prince of Pan-Africanism. Fort Lauderdale, I am here. Fort Lauderdale, Florida, I am here. Fort Lauderdale, the Prince of Pan-Africanism is here. Broward County, I am in the building. Dade County, I am in the building. Miami, I am in the building. Palm Beach, I am in the building. Hollywood, I am in the building. South Florida, the Prince of Pan-Africanism is here. On this day, December the 10th, 10 years ago, on this very day, December the 10th, 10 years ago, I came to Fort Lauderdale, Florida to speak for the very first time on the invitation of the Bobo Shanti Rastafari family on the occasion of the United Nations Human Rights Day. Okay, on the occasion of United Nations Human Rights Day, I have built a strong relationship with South Florida. I have built a very strong relationship with South Florida. Rest in peace to Mr. Leonard, who was the first one to bring me down to speak in the school system of Palm Beach County to train the teachers. I did a lot of work down here in South Florida, and I am happy to be here. Today, I will be at the Black-owned Studio 510, Black-owned Studio 510, for my book release. We will be celebrating the 10-year anniversary with the book release of my new book, Black Parent Advocate, The Art of War for Dealing with America's Public and Charter Schools. The address is 4510 University Drive. Today, Thursday, December the 10th, 2020, from 2 p.m. until 8 p.m. From 2 p.m. until 8 p.m. It is a meet and greet. It is absolutely free. You can come through, meet Dr. Umar, conversate with Dr. Umar, take a picture with Dr. Umar, ask questions. If you're having problems with your children, bring the paperwork. If you need me to look at the psychological evaluation, bring the paperwork. If you need me to look at the IEP, bring the paperwork. If you need me to see your note from the school's teacher, bring the paperwork. This is your chance, South Florida. Send a message out to all Black parents in South Florida. Dr. DrUmarJohnson will be in Lauderhill today at Studio 510 from 2 o'clock until 8 o'clock, signing books, asking questions. The book is $50 a piece. The book is $50 a piece, credit card, cash, or cash app. Credit card, cash, or cash app. If you need the flyer, you can text my cell, 215-989-9858, 215-989-9858. Okay? If you need the flyer for today. Some of you need to buy a copy of the book for every parent for Christmas. Some of y'all who you believe in Christmas. Every mother and father in your family who have children who have not yet graduated high school should have a copy of my book. If you have parents in your family who have children who have not yet graduated high school, you need to read the book. Okay? Kwanzaa, you need to get a copy for every parent in Kwanzaa. You need to get a copy for every parent in Kwanzaa, brothers and sisters. For some reason, I'm not seeing the comments. Somebody post a comment. For some reason, I'm not seeing y'all comments right now, and I don't know why. Okay. Okay. So make sure y'all come through. I will be here 2 to 8, Studio 510, 4510, North University Drive, right? A live broadcast, popular mass. Nah, I don't like that look. I don't like that look either. Y'all like that look, family? The Ifatunde glasses look. Let me give y'all an update on the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. Let me give y'all an update on the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. Let me give y'all an update on the Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy, brothers and sisters. The renovations are underway. Renovations are underway, brothers and sisters. Please continue to donate. $ FDMG School on your Cash App. $ FDMG School on your Cash App. PayPal.me/FDMG Academy. PayPal.me/FDMG Academy. Mail your donations in P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware 19802. P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware 19802. The plan is to get the gym done as soon as possible. If we can get the Nat Turner, Jean-Jacques Dessalines gymnasium, so now is not the time for you to slack off. Make sure you keep on making your donations because we need that. We're hoping to have the Honorable Marcus Garvey Elementary School done before spring. We want the school done before the springtime, brothers and sisters. We want the gym done for Black History Month, right? We want the gym done for Black History Month. We want the school done for the springtime. African Family First Festival on Ifatunde Avenue, Dr. Papa Boulevard, 82121. 82121. That's what we focusing on. That's what we dedicated to. Brothers and sisters, support the movement. Support the movement. Support the movement. That's what we doing. Support the movement. Okay?